If you own a Volkswagen and you've been using your key fob for nothing more than locking and unlocking your car, there's a very good chance you're missing out on features that could make your daily driving experience noticeably more convenient. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover 9 hidden Volkswagen key fob functions that many owners never learn about, even after years of driving their vehicles. Some of these can help you cool down a scorching hot cabin before you get inside. Others can save you from getting locked out, dealing with a malfunctioning key fob, or even making an unnecessary trip to the dealership. The surprising part is that these aren't aftermarket tricks or secret modifications. They're features Volkswagen built into many of their vehicles right from the factory. Most drivers simply never realize they're there. Take a look at your key fob for a second. It might seem like a simple device with a few buttons and not much else, but Volkswagen engineers packed a surprising amount of functionality into something small enough to fit in your pocket. While most owners only interact with 2 buttons every day, the key fob is actually capable of doing far more than people expect. Once you know these hidden features, you may never look at your Volkswagen key the same way again. Let's start with one of the most useful tricks, especially during the warmer months of the year. Many Volkswagen models allow you to lower every window in the vehicle remotely before you even touch the door handle. It's incredibly simple to activate. On most modern models, all you need to do is press and hold the unlock button for approximately 3 seconds. After a brief pause, the windows will begin lowering automatically. If your vehicle has a sunroof, some versions will open that as well. This feature becomes extremely valuable on hot days. Imagine your car has been sitting in direct sunlight for several hours. The interior becomes an oven, trapping heat inside the cabin. Instead of opening the door and stepping into that wall of hot air, you can begin ventilating the vehicle before you even reach it. By the time you get inside, a significant amount of that trapped heat has already escaped, making the environment far more comfortable. It's a simple feature, but one that can genuinely improve everyday usability. What's surprising is how many Volkswagen owners have never tested it. Depending on your model and year, the exact behavior may vary slightly, so it's worth experimenting with your own vehicle to see what happens. Of course, if Volkswagen gives you the ability to open everything remotely, it only makes sense that there's a way to close everything too. The second hidden feature allows you to raise all open windows and close the sunroof using only the key fob. To activate it, lock the vehicle as you normally would with a single press. Then immediately press and hold the lock button for a few seconds. In many Volkswagen models, the windows will begin closing automatically until the vehicle is fully sealed. This may sound like a small convenience until you actually need it. Picture yourself walking away from your car when you suddenly notice dark clouds rolling in. Instead of rushing back to close the windows manually, you can often handle the situation with a single button. It's equally useful for those moments when you're halfway through your day and suddenly wonder whether you left a window cracked open. Some newer Volkswagen vehicles can even perform similar actions through connected smartphone features, but understanding how to do it directly from the key fob gives you immediate access without relying on an app. The next feature feels almost futuristic the first time you experience it. If your Volkswagen is equipped with keyless entry, often referred to as KESI or the convenience key system, you may not need to touch the key fob at all when locking the vehicle. Instead, the sensor integrated into the door handle can do the work for you. As long as the key remains within range, simply touching the designated area on the handle will lock the car. What makes this feature so useful isn't just the technology itself, it's the convenience it creates. You step out, close the door, touch the handle, and walk away. There's no need to search through pockets, bags, or jackets trying to locate the fob. Volkswagen designed the system to make entering and exiting the vehicle feel effortless, and after using it for a while, many owners find it difficult to go back to pressing buttons. Just remember that the key still needs to be nearby. If you've already walked too far away, the vehicle won't detect it. Used correctly, however, it creates a remarkably smooth daily routine. Next comes a feature that can potentially save you both money and frustration. Sooner or later, many Volkswagen owners experience a key fob that appears to stop responding. You press the buttons repeatedly, but nothing happens. Naturally, most people assume the battery has failed. In reality, the problem can sometimes be a loss of synchronization between the key fob and the vehicle. Volkswagen key fobs use rolling security codes that continuously change for protection purposes. If buttons are pressed repeatedly while the fob is far away from the car, the sequence can occasionally drift out of alignment. Fortunately, restoring communication is often simple. On traditional ignition models, insert the key and switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. On push-button vehicles, place the key near the designated detection area. Then, press the unlock button. In many cases, the system will recognize the current security code and re-establish synchronization almost immediately. The entire process usually takes only a few seconds and can prevent unnecessary battery replacements, service appointments, and diagnostic charges. The seventh hidden feature isn't really a trick at all. It's essential knowledge. Inside virtually every Volkswagen key fob is a concealed mechanical key. Many owners carry it every day without ever realizing it's there. Depending on the design, a small release button or sliding mechanism allows the metal key blade to emerge from the housing. Once removed, it functions much like a traditional car key. Its purpose becomes clear during emergencies. If the key fob battery dies completely or the vehicle experiences an electronic communication issue, the mechanical key can still unlock the driver's door. In many cases, the lock cylinder is hidden beneath a removable cover on the handle, making it easy to overlook. Some models also allow the mechanical key to assist with steering lock functions or emergency starting procedures. The important point is simple. Knowing this key exists can prevent a stressful situation from becoming a major problem. Many Volkswagen owners never discover it until they're already dealing with a dead battery. Speaking of batteries, let's move on to another overlooked feature. Volkswagen vehicles usually provide advance warning when the key fob battery begins running low. The message often appears on the instrument cluster or infotainment display, sometimes accompanied by a warning symbol. What many drivers don't realize is that this warning typically appears long before complete failure occurs. The fob may continue functioning for days or even weeks afterward. Even more important is knowing what to do if the battery eventually dies altogether. On many push-button start Volkswagen models, the vehicle can still read the transponder chip inside the fob even without battery power. By placing the fob against the designated location near the steering column or center console, the vehicle can detect the chip through inductive communication and authorize engine startup. You won't regain remote locking functions until the battery is replaced, but you'll still be able to drive the vehicle. In most cases, replacing the battery is inexpensive since the common CR2032 battery is widely available at pharmacies, supermarkets, and hardware stores. Finally, let's discuss one of the most powerful features because it allows you to tailor the key fob experience to your own preferences. Many Volkswagen vehicles include a surprising number of customization options buried within the infotainment system. Yet countless owners never explore these menus. Inside the vehicle settings, often under security, access, or convenience sections, you'll frequently find options that directly affect key fob behavior. Depending on the model, you may be able to choose whether a single button press unlocks only the driver's door or the entire vehicle. You might adjust automatic relocking behavior, modify remote window operation settings, or customize welcome and departure lighting functions. These settings can significantly change how the vehicle feels during everyday use. In fact, many owners are surprised to discover that features they assumed were unavailable had simply been disabled by default or configured differently by a previous owner. Spending just a few minutes exploring these menus can reveal capabilities you never knew your Volkswagen possessed. When you step back and look at everything we've covered, it's clear that the Volkswagen key fob is far more sophisticated than most people realize. None of these functions require aftermarket equipment, special coding, or expensive upgrades. They were designed into the vehicle from the beginning. The only missing piece was knowing they existed. And now you do. The next time you pick up your Volkswagen key fob, don't think of it as just a remote. Think of it as a tool packed with capabilities that most drivers never discover. Chances are, at least one of these hidden features is going to make your life easier the very next time you get behind the wheel.